Welcome to our video on the topic of kernels. In this video, we will be discussing what a kernel is, the different types of kernel architectures, and the role that kernels play in operating systems. A kernel is the central part of an operating system that manages system resources and provides basic services to other parts of the system. It is responsible for managing memory, process scheduling, and input-output operations. The kernel also acts as a bridge between the hardware and the software components of a system, allowing applications to interact with the underlying hardware. In Linux, the kernel is a monolithic kernel. In contrast, in Windows, the kernel is a hybrid kernel. A monolithic kernel is a type of kernel architecture where the entire operating system, including the kernel, device drivers, and system libraries, runs in a single address space as a single process. This means that all system components are integrated into the kernel itself, and there is no separation between the kernel and user space applications. This design allows for a high degree of flexibility and ease of development, but can also make the kernel more complex and prone to errors. Examples of operating systems that use monolithic kernels include Linux, Unix, and Solaris. A hybrid kernel is a combination of a microkernel and a monolithic kernel. A microkernel is a kernel architecture where the kernel is designed to have a minimal set of responsibilities, leaving many of the system's services to be run in user space. The core of the operating system runs as a microkernel, handling basic services like memory management, process management, and inter-process communication, while the device drivers and system libraries run as separate processes, providing more isolation and stability. Windows NT is an example of an operating system that uses a hybrid kernel. Thanks for watching.